What is going on YouTube? It is I, Devontae Graves, Mr. Graves here, and today is going to be a little bit of an unusual video, unorthodox if you will. I just wanted to say rest in peace to Nipsey Hussle, man. He was a great guy. I've been following cryptocurrency since about late 2015 now, and then I'm gonna show you this clip that that Nipsey Hussle made about like a year ago, and basically confirmed my my thoughts on Bitcoin and my aspirations on Bitcoin, and just confirm that I wasn't like delusional, or I wasn't like in the in the wrong, because you know I've always been a firm believer in cryptocurrency, and Nipsey Hussle definitely confirmed that. So I just wanted to just play this short clip here. Again, rest in peace to Nipsey Hussle.
What is this thing? You know, I understand cryptocurrency. I understand unregulated form of currency. I understand peer-to-peer transactions online. But what is Filecoin? And so, basically, what it is there's a huge amount of value in this cryptocurrency space, with trading and exchanging different forms of currency, different times of acquisition, different times of selling. It's very similar to the stock market. So there's people over the last 5-6 years that became very successful trading currencies via different platforms. And so what it is there'll be a big trade that takes place, and you'll hear about it next week, and they try to mirror it, but the opportunity came and passed. Very similar to stocks. So what happened with Filecoin gives you the opportunity. It blends the social networking element with the purely financial element of being involved and being aware of great opportunities, with socializing people that know about the great opportunities. So what it is a mix, and it's a platform where you can follow successful traders. You already know the top 10 traders in cryptocurrency, and if you don't, they'll be listed, or the top 50 or the top 100, however dynamic you want to be. There's less than 1% penetration, and that's a fact, because I can't spend Bitcoin here. I gotta still spend US dollars or MasterCard credit, or established credit. Any one of these stores, there's no penetration in the real world. But there's a $27 to $800,000 increase in investment in this space. But there's a 1% penetration in the real world. So what happens when it gets 5% real world? When more people can spend their cryptocurrency at the store, at the restaurant, on the airplane, which is why we came to Amsterdam, because there's a city out here where the whole city is cryptocurrency friendly. And this is an example of what's going to happen to the rest of the world. And we think that if you get in now, when the value spreads, when the accessibility spreads, you'll be sitting on the right chair. And being out here further brought that to my attention, reinforced my belief in it, and we put our money where our mouth is.
Yeah. And because of that video, I was in college when I first seen the video. And I have one of my best friends is currently a business major, and then so it was perfect for me to bring him the idea of cryptocurrency, because he was a great follower of Nipsey Hussle. So I definitely saw it as a way to introduce him into cryptocurrency, because he is a follower of Nipsey Hussle. And then once I seen a video that you guys just seen, I definitely wanted to bring him into what I had going on here, my thoughts on the whole cryptocurrency thing. And Bitcoin was at 5,000 a couple hours ago, but it just dropped. It's been going pretty well as of late. As you see how much of a jump it made within these past 2 or 3 days here. So it could go up. It can go up in the thousands pretty quickly here. So just keep that in mind as well. Again, rest in peace to Nipsey Hussle. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see what we have going on here at the Last Year Being Broke plan. Again, thanks for watching, and rest in peace to Nipsey Hussle, and see you guys on the inside. Peace.